You say all the right things when I'm hurt.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We have a lot of cleaning motivation in this video. I'm also going to be decluttering and organizing my pantry, my refrigerator, and sharing a grocery haul with you guys. So I hope you guys are ready for some serious motivation. We're gonna go ahead and just get started.
We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gonna.
So what I like to do before I start decluttering and reorganizing my pantry and my refrigerator is I like to have a clean kitchen. I do not want to be taking out more stuff and putting it on the counters if the counters were already dirty. So I'm just doing a quick clean through the kitchen before we get started on organizing.
We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
So I did pick up a few candles from Bath & Body Works, so I wanted to show you guys real quick. This Midnight Blue Citrus is one of our favorites. It smells so good. And then the Tiki Beach, you guys know we love the Tiki Beach. And then the Laundry Day candle is a newer candle that we are trying out. And personally, I feel like Bath & Body Works is kind of pricey for their candles. That's why I always use their sales to pick up more candles.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road. You never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body?
So this happens every year, at least once a year, but I did recently get some messages from you guys saying that you haven't seen my YouTube videos or any new uploads. So I just recommend you guys to go ahead and make sure you're still subscribed, but also hitting the notification bell to make sure that you get those notifications every time I upload a new video.
Obstacles go away. That's how we play. We can never go back this road. You never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. You never go back that way. I see you standing in the
Okay, so now that we're gonna go ahead and organize my pantry, this is the mess that it is. I haven't been keeping up with my containers, all of that jazz. So we're gonna get this decluttered, we're gonna reorganize it, and then when I do the grocery haul, we will be filling up the pantry and the refrigerator with those groceries.
I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we party going.
Okay, so a lot of people say that the organizers and the containers for refrigerators and pantries, all of that stuff that is like trending now is kind of pricey. I found that when I was doing my pantry, I started with Dollar Tree items because they're super affordable and they do the job. And then I eventually just picked up a few pieces at a time because they are kind of pricey. So I also wanted to share that you can actually save money by signing up for a cashback site like Top Cashback. So Top Cashback is an online cashback site and it's 100% free. So basically, if you want to invest and organize like your pantry and you want to buy all the fun acrylic organizers, you can use a site like Top Cashback and earn money back for those purchases. So they have partnered with over 4,000 stores, including some of the biggest names in retail like Walmart, Michaels, Amazon, Sephora, etc. When you buy products online through their links, you can earn cash back on your purchases. So they also give you 100% of commission back to members, and because of this, they consistently feature higher rates than their competitors. So there's no minimum payout. They have their browser extension that will allow you to see deals and coupons or when and what stores you can earn cash back on. So if you're already doing online shopping, why not just do it through Top Cashback for the extra savings? Click the link below to get a $10 sign-up bonus when you spend your first $25. Thank you, Top Cashback, for sponsoring this portion of today's video.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know, they don't know. In your eyes I put my trust. Baby, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like.
I want to thank all of you guys for congratulating Isaiah on his graduation. We did celebrate this past weekend, so I wanted to pop in a couple of pictures so you guys can see. We are very proud parents, and it was just an exciting time for the whole family. So thanks again for all of your well wishes and congratulations on all of my social medias.
They don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs.
I recently asked you guys over on Instagram when you guys do your grocery shopping for the week, and there were so many different responses, but I asked that because I want to start uploading at least 2 times a month a grocery haul. So let me know if you'd like to see that kind of content. I probably will still do some cleaning and organizing in those grocery haul videos, so I will definitely have some cleaning motivation in them.
You and me were shiny dust. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride until the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Okay, now we're done with the pantry. It is always super satisfying to see the before and after when it was cluttered and messy, and now it's all clean and organized and just easy to use. It's more functional. So now we're gonna go ahead and deep clean my refrigerator and reorganize it and get it ready for new groceries.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken,
So what I'm doing here is just checking my food items expiration dates and then also just kind of wiping the bottles off that have a little bit of stickiness.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes.
Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even
So I busted out my Bissell steam shot so I can loosen up some of the food that's stuck on these shelves and just kind of steam those hard to reach places like in the cracks where there's food stuck in there. This really does a great job. It helps remove everything. I highly recommend having this as a cleaning tool in your home.
no, nah, nah, now? 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, now. Oh, nah, nah, now. For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, nah, nah. We ain't got the time.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself. 'Cause you don't.
So I'm just going ahead and using my Dyson to vacuum up all of the crumbs in there. It's just a lot easier than using the cloth and trying to collect it all with the cloth, and it's falling out of the cloth, and I have to keep going to the sink and dumping the crumbs out. So instead, I'm just going to vacuum them up and then go in and clean with my product in my cloth.
But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive.
So right here, I'm going ahead and using my stainless steel e-cloth. I know I say this in a lot of videos, but I just love the stainless steel and the window e-cloths. They're amazing. They do such a good job. I always have a link in my description if you guys want to check them out. I do recommend these cloths. They work really, really well.
You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this too.
Okay, so this is this week's meal plan. I didn't have Monday on there because I picked up my groceries on a Tuesday morning, which I don't always do, but this week I did. And then this coming weekend, we have a lot of events and plans, so I didn't worry about dinner for Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so we are back from Fry's grocery pickup. I'm gonna show you everything that I picked up for some of the meals that I'm making this week, and then also just some staples, snacks, and things like that. Okay, so the first thing I got was this naan, and I got this for our easy butter chicken meal that we're gonna have Friday night. I'm also going to pair it with jasmine rice. Okay, the next thing I got was some bananas. I picked up 4 avocados, and we'll use some of these for our taco dinner. And then I picked up a pound of this turkey breast meat for sandwiches. So I picked up some green beans to go with our crunchy ranch baked chicken recipe that I'm gonna be trying out this week. Then I picked up a couple of boxes of cereal. So I just got these Crunch Berries. I also picked up a box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I got some red potatoes to go with one of our meals this week. 2 cans of pinto beans to make refried beans with our tacos. I picked up some orange juice. Also picked up some spaghetti sauce for Sunday's spaghetti. Some onion, cilantro, and some ginger to go with one of our meals. I picked up some Hot Pockets just for like an easy lunch. The kids are gonna be out of school soon, and this is just something for them to easily microwave. I also went ahead and picked up some of these Kind Minis bars. They're caramel, almond, and sea salt, and they only have 3 grams of sugar, and they're also gluten-free. So I also went ahead and picked up some of the seasoning that I will need for one of my recipes. I picked up some Mio. This is my favorite Mio. It's the sweet tea kind. I also picked up a tomato and realized I didn't need it. I actually had a couple of tomatoes. I picked up a couple of garlic, then I got some onion. I got a thing of strawberries. I got these for my hubby because he loves these salsa verde chips. So I also picked up some Texas toast. This is what we eat with all of our different pasta meals that I make. I picked up a box of these croissant sausage, egg, and cheese for easy breakfast. I got the party bag of Lay's. And then I also picked up some tortilla chips, a thing of eggs. I picked up some trail mix. I love eating trail mix for snacks. Then I got this for the crunchy ranch baked chicken meal that I'm gonna be trying. I also got these Oreos. We usually get Oreos, but we haven't tried the birthday cake kind, so I picked these up. And some Diet Dr. Pepper, because we love Diet Dr. Pepper. I also picked up some Coke, Diet Coke. This is actually for my mom.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
What we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. It is so satisfying decluttering and reorganizing a space. I hope you got tons of cleaning motivation from today's video. Also, don't forget to check out Top Cash Back. I will have their link down below in the description box. Comment below and say hi. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too?
'Cause I got you, and you got me too.